Good morning and welcome students. Today we will discuss about an important topic of grammar, that is agreement of the verb with the subject. Those students who are appearing in board exams, they'll have to solve a question like filling in the correct form of the verb. So before learning that, you should know this rule, agreement of the verb with the subject. You can easily learn it by knowing a simple rule that is called SSPP rule. Now let me explain what is this SSPP rule. This S means singular subject and this S means singular verb. Whenever in a sentence a singular subject comes, we should use singular verb with the sentence. Next is PP, plural subject, plural verb. Whenever in a sentence a plural subject comes, we should use plural verb. Likewise, he, she, it are considered as singular subjects and I, you, we, they are considered as plural subjects. Or it can be a name of any person that can be singular subject. For example, we see here Sita plucks flowers every day in the morning. This is a sentence. Here Sita. This is singular subject and the verb is plucks. The verb pluck is made singular by adding s. There is a main difference between a noun and a verb, that by adding s or es to a noun, we make it plural. For example, mango, mangoes. When we add es to mango, it becomes plural. But when we add s or es to a verb, it becomes singular. Likewise, go, goes. When we add es to it, it becomes singular. So in this sentence, with this singular subject Sita, we use singular verb plucks. We see another example. He goes to Jaipur. He is the singular subject and by adding es to the verb go, we are making it singular. So the correct sentence is, or the agreement of this subject with the verb is he goes to Jaipur. Now we will talk about the plural subjects and plural verb. You, as I have written here, this is the plural subject. You is the plural subject. You go to Jaipur. Here the verb go is already plural. So you go to Jaipur, plural subject with the plural verb. Now we take another example. They go to Jaipur. They here is again plural subject and we use plural verb go to the Jaipur. So this is a very important rule of agreement of verb with the subject. We can easily learn it and I hope you must have learned it. That will help you in your board exams and filling in the correct form of the verbs. In my next video, I will tell you how to fill in the correct form of the verbs. Thank you.